David, high school tennis is back again. I mean, you know, some slight showers, but you seem to have gotten through a good amount of action since this morning. Your thoughts on how things has progressed so far?
Okay, so yeah, we are in a slight rain today. Things kicked off this morning. All schools were on time. We started promptly at 9 o'clock. And we're hoping to finish. It looked like the rain has passed and we're hoping to finish. We had maybe 12 matches lined up for today. 19, 16s and 14 boys and girls, and we hope to complete the fixture.
How many schools have entered this year?
20 schools have entered, 40 teams. And we have a couple of new entrants, Alcar Academy out of Montego Bay, as well as Cornwall entering, I think, for the first time in a long time. And then, of course, you have the traditional schools. So it looks shaping up to be a very, very competitive 3 days of tennis, and which concludes on Saturday around 3 o'clock.